Say, Daddy, I love pretzels. Leanna, look, I'm a big girl. I eat pretzels now. Love them. She's trying to whistle. She figured out she can whistle now. Say hi, Nana. Hi, Nana. Hi, Daddy. Oh, and I'm getting my other top tooth today, too. It's not a fun day. See, class was kind of hard. I was fussy the whole time. But we're happy now. We love our pretzels. They're good for gumming. You silly girl. Whoa, listen to you. Happy baby.